Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Starfield hostile intelligence bug. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the cause of the bug is not clear, but it is something due to internal issues in the game. So here are some solutions or tips for you that you can follow to get rid of the hostile intelligence bug in your Starfield. First is to restart the game. So sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Exiting the game and relaunching it after a few seconds may resolve the hostile intelligence bug. So if the issue persists, consider restarting your console or PC, as this can help refresh the system and potentially eliminate the bug. And then next is to reload previous save. So when facing quest-related issues, it is advisable to reload a previous save file, preferably one that is free from bugs. So just regularly saving your progress is not solely relying on autosaves can help mitigate such problems. So by reverting to an earlier save, you may bypass the hostile intelligence bug and continue your quest unhindered. Next is to fast travel to a different area. So another effective workaround is to fast travel to a different locations and then promptly return to the area where the bug occurred. So this method has proven successful in resolving other quest related issues, making it worth a try in this case as well. And then next is to head into an area that triggers a loading screen. So entering an area that prompts a loading screen, such as going into orbit or entering your ship, might help resolve the bug. By doing so and then returning to the quest area, you may find the issue no longer persists. And then last, what you can do is to use console commands. So this is for PC. So for PC players, utilizing console commands can be a powerful tool in resolving bugs. However, it is important to note that using console commands will mark your current run as modded and disable achievements. So if you are comfortable with this trade-off, proceed as follows. So first, just open the console command by pressing this key right here. Stand next to Kaiser and just type the 002 B17C4 move to player. So this command will teleport Sanon to your location, allowing the quest to continue. And to enable achievements, just navigate to the directory, go to the documents, games, and then click Starfield and locate or delete the Starfield console history.log file. And alternatively, you can download and install the achievement enabler mod to regain access to the achievements. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.